Hey guys, welcome to my channel iCode, and today we are going to look at how to create lazy loading views in SwiftUI. Though SwiftUI has provided us some built-in components like lazy HStacks and lazy VStacks, and they are good enough for lazy loading of the views in the lists, but there are some other scenarios where some other solution is required. One of such use cases is navigation. So for achieving navigation, if we go for using the navigation link and mention a destination view in the navigation link, that destination view is instantiated and kept alive in the memory regardless of the fact that user might not even tap it. That's the problem. Let's try and fix it. So whatever we have discussed till now, let's see it in action. And to do so, I'm having this checkout screen here. It has shipping information section, billing information section, the provision for changing date and time of the delivery, and specifically this navigation link saying change. So using this navigation link, we are navigating to this address selection view. Now what I mean is, till the time I do not click on this change, this navigation link, this address selection view, that is my destination, it should not get initialized. So let's first test that whether it is getting initialized or not. And to do so, let's go to this address selection view and put an initializer in it. And let's put a print statement to confirm address selection view initialized. Let's give a run and test that whether this view got initialized. Okay, so here are the logs. Address selection view initialized. So we haven't clicked on this change link yet, but the view got initialized. So let's try and fix it. And for that, we need to create another view that is a lazy view. So it's not a built-in component by SwiftUI or UIKit. I read about it somewhere on the internet. So let's go for creating a lazy view, and that will be a Swift file. Let's name it lazy view. What else can be a better name? My bad. Let's import SwiftUI, and we need a struct which will name lazy view, and let's use generics here. So this will be something that confirms to protocol view, and let's confirm to a protocol view. Now that we have confirmed to this protocol view, we must have a variable named as body, and we need another variable for this. So let's name it as view, and we received it of type t. So just go for self.view. Now we have this struct lazy view which conforms to the protocol view. So instead of address selection view in the navigation link, we can use this. So let's go for it. In the content view where I'm having this destination as address selection view, let's just put our lazy view here, lazy view, and in the completion here I'll put address selection view. So now the expectation is that the lazy view will get initialized, but the address selection view will not, and hence we should not get this print statement at this point in time when this screen will be loaded. So let's give it a run and test. Right there. So now I'm having this section, I'm having this navigation link, but the print statement is not there. So because we have used our lazy view, we still have that flexibility of using navigation link and navigating to another view, but this address selection view is not initialized yet. It will get initialized only when this navigation link will be clicked. So you can use this lazy view in any place, in your VStacks, in your HStacks, or wherever you want. So that's pretty much for this video. Let's write better code together. Happy coding.